that was great. There we go. Good. Perfect. Alright, and where's it been hurting at then?
Right here.
Right there, okay. Alright, there we go. I got a spot right here. Good. Oh yeah. Feel that right? Yeah, let's work on that for a sec here. You guys have practice coming up then again or anything?
Saturday.
Okay. Did you have practice yesterday?
Yeah.
Did you go?
Yeah.
How'd it go? How'd your back do?
Good.
Didn't bother you when you were working? Okay. Let's lay this side up facing me. We're gonna work on that pelvis. Remember we had those that twist in there. Let me set arm there. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're working here. Alright, that was great. Okay. Put this other way. Face this way over here. Okay. Young folks are pretty easy to adjust, a lot easier to adjust. As you get older, it gets harder. There we go. All right, we'll lay on your back. So let's check your neck here. Good. Perfect. All right, we're all good there.
Thank you.